Hey guys, how are you? I wanna show you today lower leg hair remover, the hard hair with the new product in the pink cream based. The depilator roll-on wax is really good and very wax because this is very good review. Today I wanna show you. First I apply for the powder application in the lower leg. I wanna show you in the lower leg waxing with the pink cream based wax is really very smooth and very silky after waxing for the skin is really good and very effective. But we have this review wax is after I tell you clearly picture what kind of skin use this wax and what kind of not use this wax, because this is very good and good review this wax because I try my two clients is very different for the skin effect this wax and really good and very effective. Same process I apply for the cream based pink roll on wax in the leg, whatever the hair direction. My client is hair thick and the hard and we are take off the strip before she is too much painful for the waxing, but right now she don't feel any pain anything because she is tell me is the good because before she is too much paining but right now is not. Same process we are just looking for the hair, whatever the hair direction we apply for the wax, take the strip, apply and take out the opposite direction. This is the most important for the looking the which part go here and which is not go here. You are doing wrong direction which is not hair going to the hair direction, then wax is not work out because it's totally different, totally your the waxing pattern is wrong. The original sound me and my client talking about for the waxing.
It's good. Yeah. Because last time it feels more pinching, but this time it doesn't hurt as much. This is for the cream, that's why. Cream wax for the pink one. Oh, I like it. It doesn't make me feel pain. That's good. I bring the one box. I wanna see first how review for my clients, right? No, it's good. It's good. It's no pain. Whatever the painful. Yeah. But this wax sticky in your feet because your feet is so cold. That's it. No, but when you wax my leg, like I know it hurts a lot before. Now it doesn't hurt that bad. That thing, right? Because I'm right now focusing in your the leg. Okay, I need little comfortable. And apply the moisturizer in your skin. It's so dry. Yeah, I came back and my skin got so dry. Yeah, because totally changed the weather, atmosphere, all the stuff. That's why. And I've been putting lotion every day, but it's so dry. Night time you just apply for. It's good. Yeah, I apply nighttime. I know so daytime dry. Is you don't have time, but it's really good. See? No stickiness. Yeah. Before my hand is so sticky. Oh, look how big I am. Is painful? No. Sure? Yeah, it's not painful. It gets itchy, but then I can't itch it because if I itch it, then it starts bleeding. I'll show you what, because over here, if you couldn't see it on the yeah. Over there? Yeah. It looks like a burn, you know? It's not a burn. I'll show you what it was. That's why I say. Okay, straight. mosquito bite? No, I don't think so. It's the mosquito bite.
It was like a small thing, and it went bigger, and then it started here first, and then it came over on my leg here, and then back here, and then on my back, and then it came on my
No,
chest.
I don't think so. This is a mosquito bite. No, something else.
I don't know. But my doctor did give me a cream for it, so I'm putting that.
You come here that time this one happened?
No, it happened in Pakistan.
And that time you are not showing the doctor?
I did. They gave me a cream too, but it didn't help. Like it helped a little bit. So then when I came here, the next 2 days after I went to my doctor and I showed her and she gave me a cream. But I have an appointment on Wednesday with the skin doctor for my, the one over here, the thing right here.
Yeah, you last time told me.
Yeah, I have a skin doctor appointment on Wednesday for this, the one on my nose right here, and I'm gonna show her this as well.
Good. You wanna show it? Good.
Because I have that thing on my ear too, the hard thing. Remember you saw it last time too?
Yeah, so.
You wanna see wax is really good and very effective. All the dead skin, all the dead parts come out very quickly and very easy way. Just only stickiness wear the only for the feet, because feet is too cold. Whatever the body part is too cold, and apply for the wax is stick, because wax wants to still same temperature in the body, take out very easy way. Otherwise your body is cold, the wax is not work out. That's why mostly the ladies feet is so cold. First warm the feet, and then after apply the wax, come to a very easy and very simple way. Same thing I tell my client, your feet is so cold, and that's why is easy not to come out the wax. This one is happen, just you wanna do apply for the wax and little warm up to the wax and take off, then come to the wax very easy and very a good way. And this wax is not sticky, because this is cream based, like a cream based before the honey wax. Honey wax is the really good review, but honey wax is the little sticky wax, and other tea tree wax, all the wax is little bit kind of is stickiness, but this wax is not stickiness. And second thing, apply for the pink wax is very smooth and very thin layer. If you want the thick layer, apply one time more, but not the other application needed, because one application is more than enough. All the hairs come out very easy and very quickly, but your hair direction make sure is the right direction. You are apply for the wrong direction, then probably hair come not out properly. Is most important the part of this wax. Whatever the hair direction, apply hair direction. Third things, the dead skin parts is going very well, and your whatever the tanning, uneven skin tone feel, all the go away. Your skin like is now say wow, this is really good and very good. I try my 3 to 4 my clients, before we clients 3 clients, and then all the clients told me is really good and very less pain and very good wax. And that's why I today wanna see, I give you this wax review. If you wanna try it, this wax you are get very easily in your the supplier, in your the online place. You get very easily pink cream based wax. Just you wanna try, but condition, not apply only for the sensitive skin. Whatever the client have so much sensitive skin, don't recommend it go for this wax for the sensitive skin, because this wax appeal to the skin is not good for the sensitive skin. Normal skin, anti-aging skin, and dry skin, this wax go very well, very good. But sensitive skin is not good, because peel to the skin, very sensitive skin. Because this wax temperature is good, everything is good, but apply then after do some marks for the sensitive skin. I am not want any sensitive skin apply this wax in the body, because just only 3 for the skin recommended: the dry skin, the normal skin, and oily skin. they can apply, but sensitive skin can't apply this wax because this is peel for the skin. Only one application is more than that, not apply for the second application. This is very good and very good result for your the body in this wax for this three condition of the skin. This is my clients you wanna see front of I do for the knee clean for this wax, and knee is almost go away for the all the tannings. Before is so blacks and now this is so white come to knee after waxing is so clean, so good. You wanna see whatever I do in front of your please, if you watch this video right now, please like my videos, share my videos, and comment my videos what you like this video, what you want a next video. Please guys, I wanna tell you one thing only, because whatever I have client come to my service, whatever I show the videos, but you have the special demand for some videos, but whatever clients come, then I will do, I show you this types of video, but right now I can't do anything, sorry about that. And if you please share this video, I really appreciate, and subscribe my channel and tell me how you like this video. This is the lower leg front part is done, then I show you in the back side the lower leg, and I wanna clean this part. You look is very hard hair, long hairs is almost 2 month growth. First I need for the powder application because your body wants for the dry. Little moisture wax is not work out moisturizer because your skin is 100% dry. And then after your waxing is done, and then after you apply for the exfoliate in your body is most important part of the body. Can you see I apply for the application for the pink roller wax is very smooth and very nice, and take out the wax here in very quickly, not apply for the other any application in this wax. Is very good and very effective wax, and I really love it this wax, because only this wax not work out in the sensitive skin, but other three skin go for this wax very good and very effective. Please try this wax and then let me know how you like this product, and tell me how you give this number this product. But easily you buy this product in your the online stores, in your the supplier, close to suppliers, whatever you have. But without, again I am telling you, without experience don't do that, because otherwise your skin is peel, your skin is damaged. Don't do that. You have knowledge, then do it yourself, otherwise you can't. Just stop, you go for near salon and do for your the waxing. Thank you so much you watching right now here. I'm really appreciate. Please do like, share and subscribe, and then after see you next video. Hope you like this video, and everyone say coming up the happy Halloween everyone say. And this is my the back leg for the client is very good and very nice and very smooth skin.